It had been a couple days, so time for more rain.
All right. It needs to stop raining. It's rained all night, and that area is forming another lake. That might be difficult for me to get out of here if it doesn't dry out. That area up front is lake, and it's still raining. Now, what do you think of all the rain, Keek? Keek? Too much rain? I think so too.
When I chose this site, I could tell from that big storm they had before that it had flooded, but it's still a good site. But now let's talk to some people about that big storm.
Holy shit, it's coming on the road. That's where that blue truck is at GMC.
Yeah.
We got up on a little high ground by the camper. All we had left was a little strip of grass. Standing there drinking beer, and they come from the back and the front.
4 foot high wave.
Well, it was all water. It wasn't no 4 foot no more, but when they're coming up the lake,
Yeah.
it was probably that.
Wow.
Holy shit, was that weird.
Have you ever seen anything like that?
No.
Because this lake, people don't understand this lake, but apparently that can happen. It was like a tsunami,
yeah,
right?
Yeah. Well, they say through the years, the road between Lance and Berga was covered with water more than once, you know.
Yeah.
And driftwood, everything, logs.
Oh, that's the way Aunt Noggin was. Yeah. It looked like a boat race up there with all the logs for a couple weeks ago. But they got 6 inches of rain, huh?
So to sit on a radio this morning, 6 inches. I live in Holton Canal, and that's where we got our home, and they come right through the yard. The pole barn hit the side wall of the pole barn. They went under the tin, and they put about 2 feet of water in the pole barn.
Jeez.
Lawnmowers, the tiller, everything, the motors were underwater, and what a goddamn mess.
Yeah.
I got some of it done before we come back to the campground. Got a big job when I get home.
Yeah, you do.
I had bags of beer cans in there lined up.
Yeah.
Beer cans were floating all over inside the barn. When I decided to open the door, holy Christ.
Not funny, but funny.
No, I
yeah.
know.
Yeah. It's been weird.
We're pulling out Sunday going home. We've been here 3 weeks now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you've been through most of it.
Yeah. Well, we were through it at home. We happened to be home when that big thing came. The big rains. It washed out Canal Road in about 6-8 places, you know.
The one, yeah.
It's still washed out. In hospital,
Yeah.
culverts are gone. It's out in the lake.
Yeah.
Hard to believe water could push about an 8 or 10 foot round culvert 40, 50 feet long, and it's out there in the lake. You can see it.
Well, you know, we do forget that power of that stuff.
I know.
You know, people say, "Oh, I can drive across this."
Yeah.
I don't know, man.
They say 6-8 inches of water,
Yep.
you know, running fast, so push your car.
Yep.
Drivers.
But no, it's been terrible what's happened. This could have been a lot worse because it rained all night. I expected it to be even more flooded.
I did too.
You know.
I was almost afraid to look out the window.
Yeah, I know.
But,
Well, I'm in that little van, so I saw, you know, I got the lake behind me.
good way to go with a van, eh?
Yeah, it works.
You don't have a shitter, but anywhere you park.
No, I got everything in there.
Oh, is there?
Yeah. It's just really small.
Yeah.
I've showered in it a bit, but if a place has a shower, I go use
know,
that.
Yeah, we have decent lots with that 27 foot
Yeah.
pit. We go to the shower.
Most people I know do, and it's just, well, for me, I got to hang a curtain up. I got to move stuff all
you
around.
Use up your little tank of water, first you got to be filling up again.
Yeah, and then it costs you money to burn the propane. Now the showers here aren't pretty to look at, but they got good water pressure.
Oh yeah, and once it's hard to get in there. It's so goddamn hot. You can't even adjust it. You know, it's just
Yeah.
one temperature. But once you get under it, oh, nice.
Yeah.
Okay, well, have a good one.
You too.
Hope the weather don't supposed to rain again, I think.
I thought it was supposed to be nice the rest of the day.
The day maybe.
Oh, it don't stop here.
So this is like a peninsula, camping on one side and the marina on the other side. It's the area he was talking about was totally flooded. This is from this latest storm. And the big tsunami type storm water came all the way out to the road. This place was underwater. This is just a pretty good rain, nothing compared to that huge storm. But, you know, I bring the rain apparently. So once I bring the rain, it's time to eat something. So here's another burger.
Not a bad place to cook. Great spot, huh? Doesn't that look good? This is gonna be phase one. We got 2 burgers with mini peppers and onions on them and cheese. A smiley face. Big smiley face. That's sriracha, of course. And potatoes. Potatoes. Good. Quick and easy burgers. Really simple, just Montreal steak seasoning. Damn, that's good. Fly over. Into the burgers. Great stuff. Steamy hot burgers. Alright, there'll be more. Okay, I'm gonna show you again. Wishbone Ristorante Italiano creamy peppercorn. Fantastic on corn. I highly recommend. Alright, here's another quick and boring meal. Have a great and wonderful day.